the usual nonsense. Sirens wail and klaxxons howl. I mean, you would think there's nicer ways to appreciate the miracle of our consciousness and our human existence and this lovely half moon in the sky than to wage aggressive tribal war with modern weaponry in the 21st century. But Russia be Russia. Only fools are certain, and ironically I am certain, that they are a land of complete chilling certainty. Once more, right beside the Kharkiv river. S-300 missiles, or Iskanders, and Shahid kamikaze drones will be flung willy-nilly into this border town of a city. Indiscriminate booms and thuds and thwacks, all being flung into residential zones with absolutely no viable military targets for the most part. Yes, and no doubt creepy, shabby charlatans and shysters of the Russell Brand and George Galloway stripe and stench of talking head will tell you that this is all NATO's fault and it's the fault of the Western democracies. Not a land of pig ignorant superstition and backwardness and violent conquest, as Russia always has been, and maybe evermore. Yeah, these pseudo-rebels, pseudo-dissidents. Well, they're not fit to lick Anna Politkovskaya's boots. She was a real rebel and dissident hero, a contrarian and speaker of truth to power, and that's why the Chechens killed her with Putin's blessing. All the pseudo-rebels in our pampered West, these Russell Brand types, may they choke on their own words.